Okay now, fellow gamers, we gotta get this bearing to fit on this, but I don't want to weld this to the frame, so obviously we gotta make something else to weld. So I already measured these out, and on this there's a little notch right here. Actually, I'm gonna use this notch right there, because that one's slightly longer than this, and I'm just gonna go across this. so I got all this mocked up now, so we can start working on the rear swing arm. And due to my insanely big wrinkly brain, I just basically rough cut these to 3 feet, so that way I have enough room to play around with. Because of this part is easier to just do it by like freehand, not using a design, because of this engine is kind of wonky, and I don't really know if I want to do a jack shaft yet or if I need to. So I just drew this really overcomplicated sketch, and so I'm just gonna try making something like that. So let's just tack weld these onto these bearings right here, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I messed up. So on these, I put them in the wrong place because of I forgot that I made some modifications to the frame that wasn't on the actual design that I have. So I have to extend these out a little bit, but I didn't just want to have them straight up, so I made these new ones. Well, I'm making the other one, but my battery has to recharge. So it'll just fit in at an angle like that. So I have to clean up all this and re-weld it, and then I can finish this top part. So I just figured I'd let you guys know in case you're wondering why it looks different. So anyways, let's continue that cool montage. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, we did not finish the roll cage yet. That's because I ran out of steel. So I'm going to be going to the store this weekend and I'll get some more and finish that up. And I'll put them in the next video. But I also want to do the suspension for the front. And I don't know if the joints I ordered will be here in time. So I might have another video coming out in between this one and the next one. So we'll just see what happens. But as usual, if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. But if you do want to subscribe and see the rest of this build, you should probably turn on notifications because nobody gets notified when I upload, not even myself. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and have a great day.